Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am playing with my tub of Floetrol and swipe cards and shovels too. And I think I'm going to start the same way I started, except for this is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. This is Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. I think I'm going to let that relax. Let that tip down a little bit, maybe. Right over the edge. Now I want this to drain into something I can use it from. So I guess I'm going to try and put it into a cupcake container over there. Let it drain. Hopefully. Same thing's coming right up with the black. I might need more than I've got too. I'm not going to worry about it this time. I'm going to try. Oh, that was cool. It made a little stripe, which will work also. I wonder if I can do it again. I may or may not be able to do that. I think I'm going to do different things on different sides. And I have some Venetian blue. And I'm going to take my Princeton Artful Catalyst spatula and fully utilize all the rest of my paint, because I can. I'm also going to put it right down over the edge, because I have the paint and the spatula and the will. And I'm not trying to make exact shapes, because I'm going to be swiping anyway. Say that, and then I fix my less than uniform shape. But as long as they've gone over a little bit, I'm good. I'm having fun making a pattern before I swipe. Yes, I am. And I'm probably going to add a little bit of black. That's blue. Blue won't hurt me. I think I might like blue. I still want to finish with the black. So this time, Purple Flash from Folk Art is a color shifting color. That Venetian blue is from Modern Masters. I'm thinking about using the Color Art Hot Orchid. I'm not sure yet. I didn't put more black where I needed it. Still considering that blue. The blue sells really nicely. The blue is a Prussian blue, and it could be any one of a Grumbacher or an Academy. They're tube paints. So there's my Hot Orchid. I want some of my white metallic from Anita's, and I'm going to use the puddle of paint and the Stolen paint I I would generally put a spatula in there, but right now I'm lazy. I think some of that orchid's going to go down on this last side here. And that'll be that for right now. Maybe some purple too. Yeah, I think so. And I am going to give myself one more color, which is the same Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with a little bit of orange color shift in it. And now I take my lid off. I'm using my swipe card, same one from the last painting. It's got some black paint on it. And I have a little dish. Look at the cells in there. Pretty cool from the last painting. I'm going to back it up and knock it over that edge. Now the cool thing about the pre-primed canvases is if you've got spots that you feel like you have to cover, it's not true, because when it dries, stick my finger in there, when it dries it's going to look the same as if you primed it again. That's bugging me. It's okay, as long as it's not an object. I'm not leaving as much of the paint behind as I did on my last piece, but I'm really liking what I've got just the same. Variation on the theme. And I'll use all the color in my dish to touch up my edges. Instead of wiping it off, I could do that now. I could also use the color in my dish to add a pattern. I'm having a good time again. And I can just tap and leave patterns anywhere I want to go. So I think I'm going to take some of that black, bring it right back over the edge, and then grab some Floetrol. Because I'm right here right now, I can fix my whole edge. And it looks good! Wow! This reminds me of the keyhole swipes I used to do. Except for I'm trying to be a lot more organic and a lot less symmetrical. Not that I ever really succeeded all that well with symmetrical anyway, but I'm not trying for that now. And the edges look really cool with those colors from that little pan. And I'm going to wipe off my card one more time so I can start with some clean Floetrol. And even though I've got a little white space here, I haven't decided ultimately what I want to do with that yet. I'm going to take some of that purple. One side of this card is a little more curved than the other and picks up more paint. So I'm going to be a little cautious of that. Maybe. Yep, I did. I annihilated it. I kind of want that gold to go this way. Cool. And if I have anything that I'm really thinking is off kilter, I'll just stick a card in there and drag it through. Now I put the basting brush in the last one, and I'm really tempted to do something a little odd, which is kind of my MO anyway, which is to grab either, where's the basting brush, either paint from in this container or some white metallic from Anita's. Because I like the texture of it. I like the added drama I get from that. Beautiful. In spite of the drip, which I should probably leave there. We'll see if I'm capable. No, I'm not. I think that's sweet. I'm happy. I'm really happy you guys joined me too. My tines are sticking together. This is all tines removed except for one row, and then every other tine removed also. And yes, every time I put the basting brush in, I get new texture. And it's also very addictive. So I'll touch up my edges after you guys have gone, or while I'm telling you that I do sell my artwork, and my email address is below the video. Underneath the link tree, underneath show more, usually, it's hiding. So I'm just going to keep dipping my finger in and touching the places that it needs it. And tell you guys that I have over 91,000 subscribers, but not very many of them are ever watching at a time, so it's really helpful if you guys share my videos, so I really appreciate it when you do that. Thank you so much for the thumbs up and the wonderful comments. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Your donations keep me painting. I have a place you can donate through PayPal or Patreon, and if you do so, you will be automatically included in the monthly drawing, and you can see what the prizes are in any given month on the video, on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. It's there, and those prizes are included at some point in time, so that you have an idea of what you are donating to possibly win, because you never know, it could happen. It's happened a lot. I think it's happened, you know, like at least 12 times and maybe more by now. Right around the end of the month, I make another video and call it good. I'm going to torch. I'm going to look at this first, I guess, because there might be something that I feel I would benefit by moving a little. Now, I don't put any dots in or anything, and I'm absolutely, completely enamored of what happens when you use Floetrol to manipulate the paint. Let me take this out of here. Let me check my list and remember to tell you that underneath the link tree are pixels.com, Find Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Look at my Teespring clothing underneath the video. Should you ever want anything to become merchandise or a canvas print or any number of things on Find Art America or Teespring clothing, which is really cool because it's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there in particular. You just have to ask. You can ask me questions. I'm happy to get back to you as soon as I can. I love you guys dearly. So Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Fans and Collectors, and Totes and More all start with Expressionist Art Studio, and they're all Facebook groups. Appreciation Group is for students and has tomorrow's video. Totes and More has shopping and will take you to findartamericanpixels.com. Fans and Collectors will show you the albums if you join, so you can see what I have edited from YouTube. Should you have an interest in making a purchase, use the email below the show more underneath the link tree and use the hashtag in the title of the video. Or if you're watching the exhibition video playlist, you can give me the time and the date from the video and I will find whatever you're after. So what else did I forget to tell you? My pouring recipe is underneath the video, underneath this description, about halfway down. I have 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they are next to each other on the Amazon link, which is available to you along with my website when you open the link tree. Thank you guys for being here. I love you dearly. I had a really good time, and I should zoom into that because it looks so much better close up than far away. Those are just awesome patterns. And I got to tell you what, That hot orchid is the bomb. Say hi to Leslie Olmsted for me when you buy some. It's expensive, but it's so worth every penny. I will never go back. I've already got 2 more on order. And hopefully I'll get a link at some point in time to offer you guys a discount. I hope so. Okay, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Again, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.